Good evening, students. Last class I gave you some important sentences. Today I am going to tell you how to and where to use those sentences. Okay? Now suppose a person says, the boss is calling you. What will you say? I'll be over in a minute. I'll be over in a minute. Okay? So you have used the sentence. The next is, I have made a lot of mistakes. I have made a lot of mistakes. What will you reply? It really doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. Next, I think the boss is very angry. Never assume anything. What will you say? Never assume anything. Next, I don't understand or think that should I do this or should I not. Okay, I'm in a fix, I'm in a dilemma. Should I do it or should I not do it? So what can you say? Trust your instinct. Trust your instinct. Okay. Now if you're traveling and you find the journey very difficult, you say, oh, this was too difficult. There's no going back. Okay, how can you encourage the person? There's no going back. Okay, then you have been, somebody says, you have really helped me in the hour of my need. So what can you say? It was the least I could do. It was the least I could do. Okay, or you can say, it's the small things that matter. It's the small things that matter. Suppose you have you're eating food and you've taken a second helping and you're going to take a second helping, and then you can say, on second thought, I'll leave it. Means I will not take a second helping. On second thought, I'll leave it. Then suppose somebody says, your friend or somebody says, it's very difficult, this project is very difficult, I don't think I'll be able to complete it or even do it. So you can encourage the person by saying, just take one step at a time. Just take one step at a time. So students, last class I gave you some sentences, and today I have given you in conversation how and where to use those sentences. Okay, so let's go through them again once. I'll be over in a minute. Just take your time. Next, it really doesn't matter. Never assume anything. Trust your instinct. There's no going back. Consider yourself lucky. It was the least I could do. That's very thoughtful of you. I like my own space. This is a new one. It's something I'll always remember. It's the small things that matter. On second thought, I'll leave it. Just take one step at a time. So, write down these sentences, make your own conversations, and try to use these sentences in your day-to-day communication and improve on your English. And you will see how fluent you will become and how well you will be able to communicate. Okay, students? Thank you so much and God bless all of you.